Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I haven't vlogged in a long time, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I just feel like it's been a crazy 2021 for me. This vlog is gonna be chappy as hell, but I want to try and vlog, so I'm gonna start from tonight. So it's 9:19 at the moment, and I literally just filmed a luxury handbag collection video, and my energy was a little bit low because I'm quite tired. I just got my head done today, so I literally have a banging headache. But I want to show you guys like behind the scenes and like the craziness that goes on when I'm about to film. So this is the rubbish. This is absolutely disgusting. This needs to go in the trash because I kind of wiped my makeup brush on this little tissue situation. So this is all going in the trash apart from my brush and this is my lip gloss. But that's the table, and I need to clear that up before I actually film the second part of the video. And this is behind the scenes. Obviously this is my light. I literally sat on this couch right here close to the door. It just made more sense to film that way. And obviously these are my luxury handbags, and I had to carry all of this from my house to bring to this apartment, and then to take everything back again. Morning guys, today is the driving of the date. So actually it's not even the morning, it's the afternoon. It's literally about 12 o'clock I think, and I haven't had a shower, I haven't brushed my teeth, nothing, because I'm coming to you guys fresh off the bed. So today's kind of like a little bit of a chill day. I obviously have to film a video. So I know you're gonna see like an apartment. You're thinking like, what do you think you are? Do you live in an apartment? No, it's basically King's friend's apartment. My house is noisy and I need to get content, so why not actually film in the apartment that's empty? So I want to try to bang out a lot of content. So yesterday, as you saw, I filmed my luxury handbag collection, and I thought to myself, do you know what, I want to film 2 other videos today. Luckily I brought change of clothes so I can change into something different and obviously do videos and stuff. I actually want to show you guys this view. I feel like sometimes I get tempted to just run and rent an apartment, but I also feel like in 2021 we just need to make smart moves. I feel like, yeah, if you're staying at home with your parents and you're having to save money, do it that way. Listen, living on your own can be fun, but paying the bills, they're not fun, okay? So this is what the little blinds look like, and this is the view you get from the apartment. Should I give you guys a house tour? Okay, cool, fuck it. So when you come through the thing, right here you got your kitchen. Obviously with the kitchen it comes with the living room as well. I feel like the kitchen is alright. The only thing I don't like about the kitchen space is literally this top. I don't like electric cookers, guys. I feel like when you're cooking with this, yeah, it doesn't taste the same as when you cook with gas. I'm a bit old school in terms of that, but yeah, if I was gonna get an apartment, this would have been a no-no because I wouldn't want it. The only thing I don't like though is sharing a kitchen with the living room, because I feel like if you're Nigerian you probably would relate. A lot of Nigerian food they have certain smells, so I wouldn't want like my guests, I wouldn't want them to smell of like jollof rice. I wouldn't want them to, obviously it smells nice, but you know, they wouldn't want to smell like food and I wouldn't want them to smell like food as well. So I think that's going to be the only thing I've been looking for if I'm trying to get an apartment, is to have the kitchen a bit separate from the living room space. Apart from that, I actually kind of like the apartment. I'll show you how big the bedrooms are as well. This is not even my apartment, I'm acting like it's mine. One day. And then you have this room, which is literally by the toilet, because this room is not en suite. So once you come out the room, straight away you got the bathroom. But this is what the room looks like. It's actually kind of massive. I think the bed actually comes with the apartment. So if you wanted something like this and you didn't want to get your own bed, I think it comes with the apartment. This way, this is back to the living room. This is back to the other room. Okay, so this is my favorite part of the house, and this is, I want to call this the master's bedroom, okay? This is the room and this is how big it is. Obviously, the reason why I like this room, yeah, is because it has an ensuite, baby. Okay, This is the ensuite. This is what it looks like. Obviously, once you jump out of bed, you can just go straight to the bathroom. You got this massive shower right here. The reason why I do like the master's bathroom is that when it comes to the mirror, it's not a cupboard. The other one on that other side is actually a cupboard and a mirror. So this one you just look at yourself. But do you know what? I also like it because it's a bit low as well. So do your makeup when you want to go clubbing. It's the one. But yeah, I really like it. I like the fact that it has this, so you can pull like flower pots in there if you wanted to, like artificial flowers in there. You can pull like a little toilet washers, like I don't know, toilet sprays on this little flat thing here. So I kind of like it. Obviously you have the thing to hold the tissue on this side. You have the railing for your towels. When you come out the shower, you wipe yourself, and you want to dry your towels or your knickers, this is the railing for you. It's a very pretty view of the city, and I feel like it's actually quite nice. I feel like I can see A46, because if you know, you know. A46, there's always something wrong with it, but I feel like I can see A46 from the apartment. It's amazing. Going to charge my battery now, and I'm gonna edit the bag video because I feel like the luxury handbag collection is to go up today. Let me work on that first, and I'll speak to you guys later, okay? Morning, guys. Okay, I know I look a bit crazy, but guys, today is the 12th of April 2021, and we all know what time it is. So today is the end of the official lockdown in terms of like restaurants, barbers, nail salons, all of that jazz. So I'm going to the car wash because more time, you know, everyone's been driving the dirty car, this, that, and the third. So long story short, during the lockdown in my local area, there was only one car wash that was open, but they could only wash like the outside of the car. And guys, even with the washing of the outside of the car, it was still a hot mess. And I don't know, I didn't vlog it. I don't know if I said it on any of my platforms, but maybe my Insta. But someone broke into my car, and I was only able to take off the glass in the front, but obviously there's glass underneath my chair and all of that. So I want to go get that sorted. So today I'm literally going to be vlogging the whole bumbleclot day, okay? So you guys get ready. Obviously right now I haven't showered, but I already brushed my teeth. You know, we gotta smell good. When we speak, we need to smell like, you know what I mean? Smell good. Today I've got a long day. I need to go Westfield. I'm going Primark. The way I've missed Primark, am I the only one that missed Primark? Like, you man tell me, because I know I'm not the only one that missed Primark. But I need to get myself brand new knickers. I need to get myself socks. I need to get my, like, Primark is like, if you don't know about Primark, I don't know what you're doing, but yeah, I need to go with Primark. Also, I ordered some stuff off Zara like 2 months ago, and I haven't collected it, and they haven't sent it back, which is good. So I'm gonna stop over at Zara as well in Westfield and get it, and yeah, just see how the day goes. Obviously I want to have a cheeky little lunch here and there, you know what I mean. I'm literally trying to take the piss or whatever. So yeah, it's connected. Do you want some blush Monda? Just plain whatever at this point. So we'll go to Westfield, and we both look like frogs, but it's the first day of lockdown. It's connected. Yeah. I can't vlog. We'll vlog in Westfield. Alright guys, so we're finally in Primark, and obviously the queue was kind of long to get in. Obviously I'm with my friend Zaina. So we're trying to like get some stuff. So I'm going to show you guys what they have in Primark at the moment. So I want to try because we've got more people coming in, but yeah. I need it ASAP.
Add another 14.
Well, 14 fit you as well, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I'll pass.
Okay, me, I want it.
How much is it?
£17.
This is £5. Oh, it's a good price. If you style it well, it's gonna come out boom.
This bra color is so amazing, literally. I just have to get myself one. Obviously this cost £3.
Yep.
Let's go. Guys, me and Zay were so tired of just dragging the bags. And so we need something like that. We need a car like that to push.
Guys, let me tell you something. Do not ever depend on Sandra.
Why? Why not?
For shopping.
Why not?
Because you're gonna get tired before you get to the store. She takes very long to get ready. Too long to get ready.
In my defense, it was a busy day. Like, everything is open. I had to go wash the car, everything. So Zaina's just a bit, you know.
Primark is about to cash out really.
When I tell you guys, Primark is packed. It's a mess, and then the queue to even get in is even a problem as well. I think they're all £12, you know. They have a little Disney collection in Primark, so you can get the entire toy thing if you wanted to. What do you reckon?
This is a medium too, but it's just the top. It doesn't come with the bottom. What's your bottom like?
Okay, I don't mind getting that one.
I think I have it on that other side too.
I did see that. I think they're all hair. Yeah, this is a medium. That's fine. I don't.
On that side too.
Okay, cool. Let me see. Yeah, all the mediums are like straight. They don't have the V-neck ones in the medium.
This is mine.
Guys, this is how much stuff we bought, literally, and they've got more. You can tell, I'm so tired.
Oh, I'm the worst. I couldn't even be your videographer because.
Yeah, you can. Put your back down. I see her. There. With your thumb. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's it. So you don't need to.
Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Zaina's gonna open a YouTube channel too.
I beg you.
Thank you so much. I knew you were gonna do that. Oh God. Alright, cool, let's go. I'm definitely getting these. Yes, thank you. This man. Is that you know? Thank you.
Yes, it's allowed. Let me get it.
They're cute though.
Jordan, what is this?
Get like one size bigger or point something. Don't get bang on your size. So if you're size 8, if you're size 6, get 6.5.
Did they come smaller?
I don't know, you need to find out. Where is it?
This is my go-to one.
That one?
Yeah, this one. My go-to.
Got glitters in there.
The lashes is now £4. But it's got better glitters in it.
Yeah, no. Me and Zena, we look crazy, bro, I swear.
This shouldn't be my first appearance in your video.
Wow, it is. The streets are open. Is it the queue for Kiko? Oh my god. There are literally queues everywhere.
See?
Yeah, that one. 100%. Everyone gets that one though.
This one, I got to £8.
So you buy two, get one free. But I don't want lipstick, so that's a problem. Oh look, £2 though.
Buy two, get one free.
Yeah. And then it's £2 for one. This color's not bad. How much is the powder rush?
£5.10. Yeah, £5.10.
Okay.
It was £17.
It was £17, and then you pay £5.10 for it. I feel like it makes
For
sense.
this. And it's really nice. And it's soft.
Yeah, cool. Let's take one then.
I'm gonna take one of that.
So this is how it comes, but it also comes in this little pouch thing. So if you're going on holiday, you can just always put your brush in there. Or even if you're going clubbing as well, it's not going to spin up your bag.
Yeah,
you just put it in there.
Just put it in there.
Lego.